Hello and welcome to the last prediction of today, then we'll transition to Dana White Contender Series. Na strat Hakparast is set to go down against Van Donk in Onyesh. Hakparast was having ups and downs, 5'10", 72 inches of reach out of Hamburg, Germany. The Afghani fighter recently defeated John McDessie, lost to Dan Hooker, Bobby Green, defeated Rafa Garcia. He turned into a very technical fighter from a knockout artist, and now his fights are pretty much technical. He's feinting a lot, and his opponent, Landon the Lone Wolf Quinonez, 5'9", 72 inches of reach. They're pretty much alike, as Landon Quinonez knocked out Ronaldo Acevedo and Yami Oduvole at Titan FC, where he used to be the champ. He is a quick finisher, but he was unable to defeat Muhammad Naimov. So when he's fighting high-level opponents, it seems he's having problem. So it really seems he's having problem against high-level guys. I believe this fight will advance into round 3. Hakparast is not easy to finish. Quinonez might actually guess, so I don't think this is a good matchup for Quinonez. Hakparast has a side call.